Hi friends, this is Joyce at Joyce Meyer Junk Journals. I want to show you what I found this weekend at a garage sale for $10, and I felt like I had Christmas all over again. I've wanted one of these probably since 1980. I've always had one. At our house we had a typewriter. Look at what I typed. Okay, I did take typing in college because I'd never taken it in high school, and my mom's friend taught it. I ended up getting pretty fast at it, just from when I get into something, it's serious. So I would type. But I remembered, okay, this is something my dad would say. Not say, he would type this whenever we were practicing, or I got the typewriter out, he'd come and put in a new ribbon or whatever. This was what he would test it on. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. And I didn't even thought of that in years. This is really, truly something that we're supposed to do for our brains, is whenever we craft, whenever we start something new, whenever we're like going back to the past, guys, it connects our brain in some way and it keeps us young, I believe, and healthy. It's healthy for us to get the past linked in with the future, present, everything, because time is like, it's just how God made time. Is just, we have something that we don't understand, which is our brain, and I think God does understand, and that's why he's given us so much beauty, so much to do with our brain, and to use our intelligence that he's given us. And even people that have like brain injuries or born with something, they can just, like, you see the people playing music that's just unbelievable, and you think, how can they do that? We don't understand how that brain works, but I really think all of this is tied into keeping our brain healthy and keeping us cognitively sharper. I hope so. And so this paper, and again, I'm outside in the light and it's not going to show how pretty it is, but this is actually hard to believe how yellow. This was one of the first pages that I did with the cabbage dyeing. I've gotten blue, I've gotten mint green, I've gotten everything under the sun with this paper. But see, this will be the background to these words. I'm going to use my deckle scissors. I'm going to tear and I'm going to mount those. Working on words today. I actually went on YouTube this morning. It's probably Sharon. It has a good video from a couple years ago on how to do Canva. And I want to try to see. My only problem with my computer is that I might not have enough memory. I'm having my coffee today. So speaking of memory, that computer has that memory too, and it does not like to store much. I don't even know why they make the computer. If you don't know how to put a whole lot of memory into it without charging somebody a fortune, why make the thing? I don't know. That's just me. I have some other stuff drying over there. I just now noticed that. So it's going to be a busy day, and then maybe I'll post a couple of tags or something. But I am dog sitting right now, and I kind of think if I took him down into my craft room, things might come tumbling down, if you know what I mean. Because there's stuff everywhere. I don't know how I would fix that room so I could bring him in there. Ooh, it would be bad. But anyway, so I'm going to spend time up here. And these are just a few of my words. Jesus loves me. Giggle. We always say that in our family. Laughing. We laugh a lot. Remember. Quiet. Wonderful. Kindness. Jesus is Lord. Be the light. Treasure. I don't know. I'm just typing as I think of things that I might use later. Okay. So I love you. Thanks for watching. I have actually kept this under 5 minutes. I'm just getting better. Okay, so next time I come on, I'm going to show you my little box where I keep all of, like, that Canva index card I just showed you. I'm going to show you my box of all the ideas that I've looked on YouTube. I always say I watch you guys, so I keep track so that when I'm really in a jam, I can't think of a new something, I go to those. Okay, and I'll show you my boxes, and I'm going to hit the on button now. Yay. I'm going to prove to you that it works. I'm typing with one finger because I'm holding this phone. I must get a tripod. There it is. I love you. Thanks for watching.